Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today we will discuss about reproductive phase of life in humans. So adolescents or teenagers become capable of reproduction when their testes and ovaries begin to produce gametes. So which I have also told you in my previous lectures also. And the capacity of maturation and production of gametes lasts for much longer time in males than in females. Okay, in females, the reproductive the reproductive phase of life begins at puberty, 10 to 12 years of age. Okay, and generally last till the age of and generally last up to 40 to 50 years. Okay, the ova begin to mature with the onset of puberty. The ova begins to mature with the onset of puberty. Okay, one ova matures and is released by one of the one once one ovum matures means a single ovum, or you can say a single egg matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 to 30 days in females. Okay, so during this period the wall of the uterus become thick so as to receive the egg. In case it is fertilized and begin to develop, this results in pregnancy. Okay, and this cycle is also called as menstruation cycle. Okay, so this is what we have discussed in the chapter of reproduction also. Okay students, now let me tell you how is the sex of the baby determined. Okay, so whether the baby is a boy or a girl. Okay, so what happens when the zygote is the instruction for determining the sex of the baby. Zygote, which I have shown you in the my chapter on reproduction system, where the nuclei of sperm and ovum fuse together to form a zygote. Okay, so zygote is the instruction for determining the sex of baby. Okay, so this instruction is present in the thread like structure called this instruction is present in thread like structure is present in the thread like structure called chromosome. Okay, in the fertilized egg. in the fertilized egg. So first let me delete the above thing. So as you all know that, which I have discussed in reproduction chapter, that every human being, means all human beings, have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nuclei of their cells. Okay, so two chromosomes out of these are the sex chromosomes. So two chromosomes out of these 23 are sex chromosomes. Okay, so they are named as X and Y. A female has two X chromosomes. For female, two X chromosomes. Okay, while a male has X and Y. Okay, the gametes have only one set of chromosome. The unfertilized always has X chromosome, but the sperm are of two kinds. One kind has an X chromosome and the another kind has a Y chromosome. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilized, the zygote would have two chromosomes. When sperm carrying X from the male and this one X, so the zygote would have two X chromosomes and develop a, so there are two X chromosomes, so now female child, okay, means a baby girl will born. And if the chromosomes from the male sperm contribute Y and it contributes X, so now the combination of X and Y, okay, so a baby boy will born. Baby boy will born. Okay, so now you know that how the sex chromosomes of the father determine the sex of an unborn baby. So this is how you can determine the sex of the baby born. Okay, so now let us discuss the hormones other than the sex hormones. Let me first delete this. Students, this we can discuss in the next lecture, which will be on hormones other than the sex hormones. So stay tuned for the next lecture, students, and enjoy the learning experience with Scholars Learning. Thank you. Happy learning.